Here in this video, you will learn how to add music in your videos. This is Filmora 9 software and I want to add music to one of my videos. How will I do it? Here is the solution. Just drag the video on the timeline of your software and then click on the music file or the audio mp3 file and drag it below the video and put it on the audio or music timeline. In this way, you have added music in your video. Let me first of all silent the original audio of the video and then play again with the added music. This is the music I have added to my video. So my friends, I hope you like this video. If so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such useful video tutorial.